Hello friends. The word data democratization has been very popular. It has been evolving, and that's why today we have a lot of digital transformation programs that are built around user centricity, that are built around business users. But what exactly is the data democratization? Data democratization is making the data of the business available to the stakeholders without any obstacles, without asking for something specific from the IT people, because earlier IT used to own the data, but in fact IT is only the custodian of the data. IT is only governing all those systems within the landscape. But who does that particular data belongs to? It belongs to the enterprise. It belongs to the business, and that data would be used to make decision making. So that's the reason the data need to be made available for everybody, all the stakeholders. Now, how that can change the way an enterprise can work? Such as, let us suppose that a sales guy or maybe data analyst who are working within the sales team, if they are not given the right data, they won't be able to make the decisions. And even during the COVID, we have seen that just because the right data was not available with the right stakeholders, we could not address the issues during the COVID, be it the trials data, be it the data with regards to the patterns, the data with regards to any other demographics that was not made available to the scientists, or that was not made available to everybody who is concerned with that. Otherwise the situation would have been different. So we talk about data democratization, but there is also something that we need to be very careful, because if you expose the data to non-technical people or people who does not have that business acumen, they might make wrong decisions. So what is the fine line between this, making it available to everybody or maybe restricting it? First of all, you design a policy based upon GRC, governance, risk and compliance. So see that which rules require what kind of data to be just view only, which stakeholders or which roles require the data to be managed, governed, changed, or which roles that you can allow them to change something. So those are the things, or delete something. So you can establish some of these GRC practices within your organization so that you can govern the data. But how can you really govern the data? Because there are different models of governing the data, and such as these days the concept of data hub or a data quality hub is very popular. And what kind of data hubs that you can have within an enterprise? If you would like to look into the application data management, which is the ADM, which is to do with all the business applications, and which you, if in case you would like to make sure that all the business applications exchange the important information across the landscape so that you can make the right decision, then that is an ADM hub is required, application data management hub. If you feel that if you are in a product or manufacturing environment where you have lots of references and lots of reference data that is available, then you need maybe the RDM hub, which is the reference data management hub. Or if you would like to manage only the master data of it, then you need a MDM hub. So there are different types. Or if you would like only a platform wherein different sources can be connected and data can be exchanged, and you would like to have an integration hub, then you can have integration hub as well. Or if you would like all the business applications to send out core data or maybe key data structure to a platform, to a hub from where you can generate the analytics, then you need to have analytics data hub. So in all these cases, what is common? Data hub is common. So enterprises need to start shifting their thinking from core applications and landscape consolidations, or to maybe managing only SAP, non-SAP, Oracle, non-Oracle, Maximo, all those applications. Stop thinking about it, but think about how you can bring in the data within a app so that your decision making can be smarter. Because if you do not establish the right quality, right practices of governance, then you won't be able to achieve all the benefits of the right quality data. So establish a data quality hub across your enterprise, depending upon whichever use case that you would like, starting from ADM or RDM or MDM, or maybe integration hub, or maybe an analytics hub. If you would like to learn more about it, please reach out to us, or log on to pilogcloud.com and go through a lot of exciting stuff that talks about this. Thank you.